All right, guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. As you can see, we're in the McLaren. We've made a couple thousands for this month. Okay, what is this channel about? It's called Hedging Mastermind because I use hedging as an exit system to get out of my trades. Most traders use stop loss, and that is why they take a lot of stop losses. For example, if we take 10 trades, you have 9 stop loss hits, you lose maybe $10 per stop loss. That's $90 gone. Okay, and maybe you make $10. That's only $10. So if you had $100 in your account, now you have only 10. However, if you are hedging, if you lose 9 trades and make profit on only 1 trade, then you are banking profits. You are taking not just your money, you're also taking $10 extra. So you end up the month with $110, your main capital and the extra. Why? Because hedging is the way that saves your account. Now, how do I hedge? I have a software that does all the analysis for me, because when we tend to do analysis, we tend to have biases. Okay, yeah, we tend to have biases. And when we have biases, we get emotional with our trades. That's why you see the way some people lose their accounts. Oh, they took so many losses, so many sells, or so many buys till they blew their accounts. It's not the same way. When the software says the trend is down, you know, it gives you details when to hedge, where exactly to hedge. Even for my scalping, because I scalp also, I scalp and I swing trade. I scalp is a faster way to gain profit. So when I scalp, I have like big exits, but I'm confident because I'm able to hedge it. So if I have like in a month 30 scalp trades, even if I lose 15 of them, I still end up in profit and I still save my main capital. And I'm not hedging, oh, the market goes up randomly, it goes down randomly. No, I know when exactly to buy. Thanks to the software, I know when exactly to sell for the hedge. For scalping, the software tells me exactly when to buy, when to sell, where to buy, where to sell. It gives me an alert, so you can have it on MetaTrader or TradingView. So yeah, that's how I make all this money. That's how I make my profits fast. I haven't been trading for a while, but I'll start scalping more and more often. Now, if you have any questions, you can join the free Telegram group, Hedging Mastermind, link in description below. We are up over 5,000 members. We're trying to end this 2024 with over 10,000 to 15,000 members. I give 3 months free signals for free. So if you want to test my system, you want to get 3 months signals, I'm going to give you the entry, the exit. We'll be using stops because it's a signal group. However, if you want to learn how to hedge, go to hedgingmastermind.com. You can get the software there. You can buy the course. We have a 1-day course. We have a 1-week course, we have a 2-week course, we have a 1-month course, and we have an in-person course. What happens during these courses? We go live, right? If we do it online, we go live. I share my screen on Zoom, right? One-on-one with you guys. I take live trades, live swing trades, live scalping trades, live hedging, and you also get the software for free with the course. Okay, if you want to get the TradingView version, or which is in my opinion is the most accurate, because TradingView gives the best price feed, you can get that separately. And the best way to learn from me is to meet me in person. You meet me in person, I'll bring the McLaren, drive it, we'll talk, we'll do some live trades. Okay, my PC will be by you, you will also take some live trades. And yeah, that's what my channel is about. If you have any questions, if you have any details, if you have anything, put that in the comment section. Tell me what type of videos you want to see me doing, and hope you guys have a nice trading day ahead. So this is what the channel is about, and expect more vlogs, expect more videos on trading, on scalping. Hope you guys like the McLaren. Yeah, yes sir. So it's a 570s. And yeah, hope you guys have a nice trading day ahead. Like, share and subscribe, and click those notification bells on for more videos like this. We'll be having more vlogs, we'll be driving the McLaren around, we'll do so many things. And yeah, see you guys soon.